if you're looking to add an outdoor kitchen sink to your outdoor kitchen, oftentimes what we'll do is just run we'll plumb it off of your water spigot outside. We'll put a T-valve on it so you can still, obviously use your water hose around the yard. But then off of the other T, we'll be able to run, it's a simple way of getting water to a sink. Easy for you just to winterize. Basically it's self-draining. So when you're not using the sink any longer, or the water to the sink, then the overflow just kind of runs out. So you don't have to worry about anything freezing. And then the drain, we basically just take to a bubble pot. Oftentimes I'll put like 4-inch PVC pipe in there and run it out to a 12 by 12 basin. And that's, it's just gray water is all you're kind of draining at that point. We've never installed like a garbage disposal or anything out, in an outdoor kitchen before. So just gray water and, having water around the outdoor kitchen is usually what you got. So the sink basin, we can do both. Just need to know ahead of time, if you're going to do an undermount sink or a drop-in sink, we'll just have to let our countertop provider know. Oftentimes we'll give them the specs of the sink while they're out there measuring. So.